Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing well, and let's get right into today's video. So today I'll be doing my daughter's set. I know I haven't done her nails in a while, so that's why they look like that. And I'll be doing my usual prepping now. So I'm going in with my cuticle bits, going around the cuticle and making sure that I get any of that excess cuticle off. And after I'm done using my cuticle bit, I'm going in with my sanding band, going over the natural nail plate, making sure that I remove any of that shine and buffing out the nail. And I'm sorry that my nails look yellow. I was actually doing or using a DIY homemade turmeric mask, and so if you know turmeric stains your nails or anything that touches it, so that's why my nails are yellow. Sorry about that, guys. Now here I'm going in with these C-curved long nail tips from Shein, and this has become my new favorite nail tips as I use them a lot and have been using them for ever since I got them. Really nice, really good C-curve, and even when you cut them down, it's really good, nice coffin shape, which makes it even better for short nails to make it a square. So right now I'm just going to cut them down short to the length that she wanted. And now I'm going in with my hand file and then just filing them straight and into that square shape. And I'm gonna go back in with my sanding band, and I'm doing this to blend the tip into the natural nail so that when you are putting, well, today I will be using Builder Gel. When I'm putting on gel or acrylic, the nail tip does not show, and it helps blend everything in together. So once I was finished, I am going to add my Macart base coat and base coat all the nails and then cure that for 60 seconds. So now we decided that we were going to do some butterflies because she wanted butterflies. So I decided that I was going to encapsulate 2 nails. So I will be encapsulating the ring fingers using the silver butterfly and the pink butterfly. So now I'm going in with the ring finger and I'm putting the Saviland clear, and I wanted to try this again. Remember guys, from my previous set it was like all over the place, so because I was using tips, I wanted to see how they would work, if it was a little bit different, if it was my lamp, or if it was just me. So here I'm placing the silver butterflies, and then I'm gonna go in with the pink butterflies and use 2 of those and just put it on top and then cure this for 60 seconds. And now for the rest of the nails, I decided to use the nude Saviland Builder Gel. So here I'm just putting a thin first coat on all of the nails except for the ring finger. And for the ring finger, I go back in with a coat of clear, and then I cure all of them for 60 seconds. And now before I cure them, I do ask her to flip her hand so that all the gel can focus on the middle and give a little bit of that apex and don't leak into the cuticles. So, if you guys are wondering, I did not forget the thumbnail. I decided that I was going to do that last because Builder Gel does move a lot, and majority of the time it's harder to cure the thumb when in the lamp. So I decided to do the thumb last. But here I'm going in with a second coat, and I made this a little bit thicker just to build up the nail and see how it would work. So as you guys can see, it is moving. I think this Builder Gel is just very liquidy. The consistency, I'm not a big fan of it at all. As you'll see that later on, it moves to the sides. So let's see how this continues. And there was a little bubble right there in the pinky nail, but let's see how this is. I'm gonna just continue trying to encapsulate that ring finger. And just a reminder, after every layer, I do flip her hand to try to center the gel into the middle and not on the sides. But now I'm going in with a third layer, and this will be the final layer. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it did leak a little bit on the pinky nail, not too bad, but I just couldn't get the consistency of the gel correct as far as like making the nails smooth so it'd be less filing, and evening out the sides, making sure it's an even layer of Builder Gel. Here it was leaking on the side, and I don't know if you can see that, but like the gel is like moving towards, like, I don't know if you can tell, but it's moving down because obviously her hands are down, and I don't want the gel to flood the cuticle area. But this is just a very fast moving Builder Gel. Yeah, as you can see there, you see how I'm now taking it from the sides. Yeah, it spreads really fast, and I'm trying to put it back in the middle. But this is this consistency is way more liquidy. So like I said, I do flip her hand and try to center that gel. So now guys, maybe I think that with using this builder gel, you need to do very thin coats. So it's not like a hard gel, you know, the consistency is not thick enough to, you know, do it as far as like a thicker layer to build up that apex. Every single layer that you use has to be thin. And that's what I did with the thumb. And I mean, it still spread a bit, but it was much less. As you will see on the middle finger, it did get spread in the cuticle. It did flood the cuticle area, and I think that was because obviously I added too much builder gel. So like I said, when using this builder gel, you have to use very thin layers to build up the nail. And I almost forgot, I am here right now just going in with my 100 grit nail file and filing the sides to get back my shape, my square shape. And like I said, guys, you see that area right there on the sides, it did leak into her cuticle. And, you know, I was really trying to pull away her skin, so I did not cut her, but it was very difficult to get that area there. So a little bit had to be left, you know, but I did try my best to continue to file that builder gel that did leak. And now I'm going in with my 5-in-1 nail bit and just trying to debulk the nail, even out the surface, make sure that it is smooth, and going around the cuticle area a bit and under the nail. And here I'm going in with my cuticle bit, and I'm trying to just take off any of that excess builder gel that flooded into the cuticle area, but it was a bit hard. So I tried my best, and once I was done, I just wiped off the nails, and now we're going in with the design. And so she wanted to have some pink nails, so I'm using my Madame Glam pink and making all the nude nails French tips. Now, once I was done with all the nails, I'm going in with my Macart top coat and top coating all the nails for 60 seconds. So once that was done, I am rubbing in the cuticle oil into her cuticles. And this is the final set, guys. A nice, cute, simple pink encapsulated butterfly set for my little one. And I think these were adorable. They definitely fit her hand perfectly. Look at those little butterflies. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.